Many of us have heard of eToro by now, with its various ads popping up on YouTube video. So what is this eToro? And what's so special about it? What are some of the complaints that people complain about? Watch this video to find out. Hi, welcome back to Mr. Money TV, bringing you the best tips and tools for a better future. If you enjoy my content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button so that you get notified when we upload the latest videos. And if you enjoy this video, do please help me by clicking the like button here, because that will really help me with my YouTube algorithm so that my videos can reach more people. For those of you who are more active on Facebook or Instagram, guess what? We actually have a Facebook page and also an Instagram, so do follow us there as well. Now, founded in the year of 2017, eToro is currently one of the largest fintech companies in the world with more than 10 million users. They offer investment and trading of multiple financial assets such as stocks, ETF, currencies, commodity and cryptocurrencies. So, are they legit? Well, previously I did a video where I researched who are the founders, who are the investors of the company, and make sure it's a credible one. You can check out the video in the link here and share with us your thoughts. I will also attach a link in the description below. Well, nonetheless, to put it in short, they are regulated by 3 bodies. In Europe, they are regulated by CySEC, the Cyprus Security and Exchange Commission. In UK, eToro is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority of UK. And in Australia, eToro is regulated by the Australian Security and Investment Commission. Now, while eToro allows you to trade in multiple assets like stocks, ETF, currencies, commodity and cryptocurrency, they do it through something called CFD, Contract for Difference. For those of you who do not know what a CFD is, you can watch my video about CFD in this link here, okay? Now, it will also be attached in the description below. Do make sure that you watch that video about what is CFD before you start investing with eToro. For eToro, the minimum amount to start an account is 200 USD. And there used to be a $25 USD withdrawal fee, but now it has been reduced to $5. Well, regardless of whatever amount that you're withdrawing, there will be a $5 USD being charged through it. But if you invest 25,000 USD with eToro, that makes you a platinum member, then there won't be any more withdrawal fees. Also, do remember it's very important that you verify your account when you sign up with eToro and use the same account that you use to deposit fund when you withdraw your money as well. If not, you may face a problem when you withdraw your money later. As for their user interface, I think eToro is easy to use. It's clear and easy to understand. Making deposit is also easy and it's also user-friendly on both their mobile app and their website. The special thing about eToro is the copy trading feature. Now, many of you has probably heard of that. This is where you can view how other traders are performing and choose to copy them, therefore copying their results as well. This is definitely one part that I really like. Now, if you're a beginner investor or you are just too lazy to do your homework when it comes to investing, or maybe you're just like me, you're not that into trading and you're not very disciplined to do that, but at the same time you want to earn from actively trading in the market, this is something you can look at. Here you can find traders on eToro with a track record of success. Then you can set up your account to automatically copy everything that the trader does in real time. This is kind of like hiring your own trader to trade for you. The only thing is it's free because you actually didn't really hire them, you're just copying their portfolio. Anyway, if you decide to do this, I would suggest that you start with an amount that you feel comfortable in investing and research properly on the trader that you are choosing, because yes, if they make money, you will make money, but if they lose money, you lose money too. So do your research on the trader properly and don't invest what you cannot lose. As for the selection of traders, they do have a wide selection of traders that you can follow. Time to time, they will also recommend to you the best performing ones as well. In eToro, you can view their performance over the years, the financial assets that they are holding in their portfolio. There's also a feed section that's like a Facebook news feed where the traders post their thoughts and they can interact with the community and the people who copy them through their feed. So this is one part that I really like about them. I've seen copy trading before, but I've not seen one that you get to communicate with the traders through their posts and comments. So I find it to be very transparent. And from what I see so far, their top traders and their popular traders are quite active to communicate with their copiers. So I really like this part. Anyway, you can sign up for a demo account to try it out. They will give you some virtual money in the demo account as well, where you can trade or you can copy people just like a real account, and you can track the performance of it as well. So you can test out this eToro and get comfortable with it. Now, I'm gonna attach the link in the description below, so feel free to check it out. By the way, I will also do a more in-depth video about their copy trading feature and how I select someone to copy. So do subscribe to my channel and remember to turn on the notification so you get notified when I upload that video. At the meantime, The Age did an article about social trading on eToro. You can check it out. I'll attach the link in the description below as well. So enough of their features and what I like about them. Let's also take a look at some of the complaints and what I don't like about eToro. Just like every business, there's always complaint. And here at Mr. Money TV, we strive to be as transparent and as unbiased as we can. So after some digging into the complaints of eToro, these are some of them that I can find. So you be the judge of it. One of the more common complaints is withdrawal problem. There are some who complain that it takes a longer time to withdraw their money or they are unable to withdraw money. But after they complain for a while, there's no follow-up on their comments later in the forum. So I'm not sure whether is it resolved or not. And quite many of them seems to face the problem because they have not verified their account, or the account that they use to deposit money and the one that they want to use to withdraw is a different account. Well, I've also asked some fellow Malaysians who invested in eToro, and so far, those who finished their verification and used the correct account to withdraw their money all can withdraw their money successfully lah. The second most common complaint that I see is for those who actually lose money when they invest in eToro. Well, I personally think that there's nothing to do with eToro lah, since eToro actually just provide you with a platform, and if you invest in stocks or invest in anything and the value goes down, that is actually more of an investing skill problem. And if you invest in social trading and lose money, again, that is the trader that's losing money. It's not eToro steal your money. Anyway, at the end of the day, there's no guarantee in any investment, right? Well, all investment comes with a risk. So do your research before you start investing. Now, one thing that's worth to highlight is that some people use leverage without fully understanding it. This one also, I got quite some fellow Malaysians who invested and used the leverage and lose money and then complain. Well, all I can say about that is that it's not a platform problem. It is your problem. You need to research and know what you are investing. Anyway, when it comes to leverage, do check out my video about what is CFD, where I'll attach the link here and in the description below. Do check it out because I also explain about what is leverage. So if you ever decide to use leverage to invest, do understand the risk that is involved. So anyway, this is what I've learned about eToro so far and my thoughts about their platform and their features. So just a quick summary of what I like and don't like about them is, what I like is their user-friendly interface. Number 2 is that they are transparent with their copy trading system. And number 3, their credibility. Now, what I don't like about them is the withdrawal fees. So every time when you withdraw, you need to be prepared to pay 5 USD. So that's about it for today's video. I hope you benefited from it, and do share with us what do you think about eToro and what you like or what you don't like about it. Anyway, for those of you who are interested in exploring eToro, there's a link that I've attached in the description below for you to open an account. You'll be given some virtual money to play around with it. Again, you can use it just like a real account, but it's not real money. That's all about it for today. I'll see you next time.